Hey, good afternoon, Eastern North Carolina here. We've got a windy day. I hope the wind noise isn't too much, but I want to do a video walkthrough on this 2020 235 Scout Dorado. It's their dual console model. Doing this video after the had some pretty good spray. Tried to wipe the boat down quickly after, but see it on the windows and some other places. Other than that, the boat is pretty clean. It is dry stored here at our facility. Upholstery's in good shape. Got some mold, mildew in the caulk lines. Just places that need to be touched up. It does have the electric head versus a manual head. Check out the photos for that flip up table there. You can spin this seat around. This seat does flip back and forth as well. Boat has the transom flip down seat and the port side lounger seat. Ton of seating in this boat. It's equipped with a 300 Mercury, 80 hours of use on it. Got index storage here. Mentioned to the console, I've got all the covers stored in there. I'll try to get a photo of that coming up to the bow. Got arms here, 2 speakers with the Fusion stereo. Upholstery's in good shape here. There is a cover that goes over this entire area. Anchor windlass. Helm seat with bolster. Good shape. Digital throttle and shift. Your controls for lighting, horn, thruster, Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator. You got your Garmin. I've got it pulled up to the chart plotter and sounder page. Also has all your switching through here. So you want to come in and cut your freshwater pump on, you can do it here, raw water pump here, bait pump, so on and so forth. Nice glove box. Here's your key switch, Fusion stereo, and your Mercury vessel view display there. This is your anchor windlass control. In that console is your head. Scrolling around to the back, you've got the small wet bar, Yeti pull-out cooler. Underneath this seat, you've got some storage as well. Access to your bilge, and I believe your oil water pumps down there as well. There's your live well. Boat does have the recirculating pump on the live well. You've got some C-deck matting on the transom here. Guys, thanks for taking the time to look at this boat and follow us on the walkthrough video. Sorry, I'm trying to stay hunkered down and just out of this wind. I apologize for the wind noise. If you have any questions about this boat or any other, we have listed here at MarineMax Raceway Beach. You can catch me on my cell. 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks.